Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So Land Rover Discovery 4 3-litre SD V6 HSE automatic 4-wheel drive. 2014, 81,000 miles, 7 services, 2 owners, cam belt replaced at 74,000 miles, Corris grey, very nice specification with surround cameras, £17,995. 2 owners, very good service history. Tyres look new, alloys look immaculate. It has got the 5 surround sound camera pack, which was an optional extra. As you can see, it's got privacy glass. Comes standard with a reverse camera and park sensors. Has a full-size spare wheel, alloy under the back, which was also an optional extra. I believe it has headlamps with high beam assist, which was also an optional extra. As you can see, black leather, 3 sunroofs, electric steering column, memory electric heated seats. There's the 5 cameras being displayed now. There's 2 at the front, 2 under the wing mirrors, and the reverse camera, obviously. HSE, so great specification anyway, but this car has got a few optional extras. 7 seats, which I will show you now. There's the rear seats, parcel shelves in there. So 81,000 miles, 2 owners from new. Most of the history is Land Rover, including the cam belt replacement at 74,000 miles. Corris grey metallic. I think they look good in grey. Obviously keyless entry, keyless start, 2 keys, black roof rails, so the front camera down there in the corner of the bumper, obviously front park sensors, LED daytime running lights, extra cameras underneath the wing mirrors, Meridian Hi-Fi, memory seat, leather in lovely condition. Very nice example. Sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, all the cameras, heated seats, 81,138 miles, heated steering wheel, nice, voice control, big spec car this. Even those rubber door mouldings were an extra. £17,995, 2 owner, very nice Discovery 4, £17,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. We may have more than 1 Discovery 4, we normally have 2 or 3. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we have produced over the last 10 years. You can thumb through those. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a notification every time we put a fresh car into our stock profile. You will then be one of the first people in the country to know about it. Please subscribe to Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.